This is PCH near Malibu city limits. We have mud and debris flow coming across PCH, flowing into the ocean right here from the burn zone. This is PCH near Malibu city limits. Lots of water and mud coming across the road here. This is only going to go on longer and get worse as the night goes on, as this storm still has a few hours left. I'm here on PCH in Los Flores, which is completely impassable as there is flooding coming across PCH into Dukes, which is blocked with mud. The mud has flowed inside to this parking lot, and you can see that this lot is filled with debris and mud and rainwater from the current rainstorm. We cannot get into Dukes because there is so much mud here that it has blocked the door. You see the tires of the Surf Pro truck, where you can tell how deep this mud is. And you have emergency personnel here, you have National Guard removing the debris that is in the street right now. And water keeps coming down from Los Flores onto PCH. This is quite the scene here, and the mud is deep as I am walking in it right now. I would say it's about 5 or 6 inches deep, maybe more. And we've got more rain on the way. This is a situation where PCH will not be passable. It is blocked because of this mud and debris flow from the rainwater that is coming down from the burn zones. I'm at Dukes at Los Flores Canyon and PCH, where a skip loader is trying to clear mud and debris that is coming down from the hillsides here in Los Flores Canyon. Water is still coming down. They're starting to clear some of it, but more rain is on the way. So their work is going to be cut out for them tonight, trying to clear PCH that is not passable at this time because of all of this mud and debris flow that is here.